Let us see how the online classes would be. See, we will be doing some other works when the online classes are going on, and we will be sleeping when the online classes are going on, and we will be sleeping within 20 minutes of the online class starts, whereas we don't sleep when we see the series. And we will be using some other Instagram things, and we will be sleeping, and when your name comes we will wake up and say present ma'am. So something like this. So how to make it interesting? See here.
So this is one particular platform which I say. So when we go for teaching online tools, what are we going to get is
ample of information. If you see, if you scroll down this, you can see ample of information.
So here you can see this is a good website, teachaclass.org. So here you can find many things. Quizy. So this is one quizzing app, a quiz app where you can use it online in your class then and there at instant by just joining the members. It will be very funny. You have to just look into it. Quizy. And Jamboard is, of course, it is a supporting platform for Google Meet, which you know already, and ClassDojo and all these things. There are few free things like a Quizy and Jamboard, where it also this Quizy also asks few of the, suppose you want to keep a quiz theme, it will ask for a Premier account, Super account, and these things are there with all these things. But I'm not going to tell about all these things, but I am going to talk about see, there are many things, right? So but I am going to talk about one particular easy, simple and free, open. So this is the one. It is a learningapps.org. Okay, so let us search what is learningapps.org, and I am going to. So this is the website which once one of my professors had told us in class, and I had that in my mind, and now I wanted to explore it, and I have to show a few of my friends. So I'm going through this now. So learningapps.org. The moment when you search learningapps.org, the page which appears is, since I have already have an account, it is showing my profile. But or else if I get a log out, so if I do log out, so what you are going to get is, you are going to get a page like this, and if you have an account you can log in, or else you can just register in your account by just giving your username. So username creation is very easy. So I am giving just my master name, but it is saying that the username is already exists. So you have to choose one username which is not already exists, and choose your email ID and password, and use the strengthened password, and here also check with the password and accept all these things by reading the conditions and all that. And you just give the security code, just click the register account, and what you are going to get is the page like this. So the page which appears now, so something like this, so your username and your profile will be there, and my apps, my classes, create these, all the things is common for everyone. So it doesn't matter whether you are a newcomer or not, it doesn't bother, right? So my apps, if you go to the my apps, I have created few of the apps, so that's the apps which are appearing here, or else it will be appearing like this is my collection actually. So I will talk about it later. So if you don't have any apps or any new user, it will be like the same folder. Only the blue folder will be appearing to you in this my apps. My classes, this is the my classes. This was the older one. So now you can read this. They have removed this my classes option from it because something I don't know. But this my classes where you can create your class, add your members, so that they can also access before to open in their account. Modify it for the basics of the class. That is one option. So before going to create your own thing, so let us just browse what are browsing apps, what are the apps which are already just like the open platform which I already said. So whatever the things we have created, if you publish it for the public, there is two ways of publication that I will also tell in a few minutes. So when you publish it to public, and it will appear in this category. So when you say browse app,
there are many things pop-ups here and categories, so you can choose any of the categories. I am going to choose mathematics as a category, and if you choose, after choosing mathematics as category, you will get subcategories also. The only one disadvantage in here you can find is you cannot find English easily. So here you languages, some other languages which are not English, so you can, if you find English, that is very easy and you can adapt in your learning classes or teaching classes easily. So here you can check the levels of the things also. Here it is elementary level. If you change that, it will give some other level. So if I am clicking on mathematics, so I am getting some English stuff here, okay, so which I can use it for our classes easily. We were talking about the levels of things. So elementary level, and if you change it coming primary level, elementary level, primary level, and then it goes on to the secondary and then to the higher level. So whenever I change this, the things here below also changing, so it is not the same, okay. Till the occasion level we have, you can check this stuff, okay. So now if you go for create apps, so by clicking on it, what we are going to get is a templates already made, pre-made templates. Now before going to create, let us check how to share already created one. So I have gone for a browse apps and I found one thing, and if we share this link, copy that by clicking on that, just by clicking on that it will copy all the address, or else you can copy this way also. So you can copy, and you can also use this by QR code. If you have a QR scanner, you scan it, you will get this directly, the app, okay. Now I am going to copy it. I am copying and pasting it in the next tab. So we are going to see how it is going to come, okay. Pasting it, pasted, and I'm clicking enter. So after entering, you are getting this whole as only game console you are getting, okay. So if you paste one more links, there are few things, right? So if you paste that below one, which is share, so I am copying it and I am pasting it here. See now how it is going to come. It is going to come like the whole app, so the whole website is going to come here. Whereas if you see back the other thing, it has shown only the game. Here it is showing all the website. That is the simple difference. And if you see that embed, so embedding thing, you can make it as a game console, I mean in your text itself. So if you are writing any Wikipedia, you can write it in HTML format and copy this embedded link and paste it there in the HTML format. That game will automatically include in your text. You can write it in blog also the same way, okay. Now let us go for the create apps. Creating apps, so we are getting many templates, pre-made templates. I am going to first one, matching pair, okay. I am going to create the matching pair. Let me see, app title, whichever you want you can give, and task description also you can give whichever way you want. So app title I am not changing, but description, you see I am going to write it in my own language. See, I am going to write it in Telugu. So see, I am just copying whatever things I required. So మీరు రాయండి మరియు గుర్తించండి. So I have written it in my Telugu language, okay. So it is just to show that it supports multiple languages, okay. I have written it through installing some software. You can directly translate it English into your own language and copy it and paste, and either way it supports. Now I am going to add first pair. There are few things here, 1 2 3 4 5 things, 5 things we can add, questions like as I am going to first add text. So text, let me type square, SQR square, and I am going to add image here. So image also you can add it in 3 formats. One is again you can directly search square. So I got some squares. I'm identifying some part of the square. So let me take this thing, use this. So if you want to add few more instructions, you cannot add as a separate thing, but you can add like edit image. If you go to edit image, you can add instruction also. So I'm going to add text, and I am clicking on it, add text, and double click here. So by double clicking here, I will get my cursor there. I am deleting all the stuff which is present in there, and I am writing my own instruction. Identify the shape, shapes, okay. And I am going to give a suitable color which is apt for this picture. Black, no, red will be good, okay. By clicking on anywhere outside of picture, you will get a cursor which can be moved to, which supports to move the word letters. Identify the shapes. I am going okay. Again save. Many options are there, you can check, okay. I am going to save, and when it loads and saves, you can see identify the shapes. The instruction also come. So now let me add one more element. I am going to add image text. Let us go to image, and one more way of adding images by copying URL and pasting it here. So I have already few images loaded URLs I pasted, and I got this picture in here immediately. This also you can edit if you want. Okay, I am going to delete it, and I am going to add image by searching it here. Unsplash. Unsplash.com is one copyright free website where you get lot of pictures, HD pictures, but copyright free. See here, rectangle pictures. I got many things, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to right click on it. Either I can share, or else I can go to picture and right click on it. I get a copy image address, and I'm going to the tab and pasting it in the URL form and use image. I am going to get the image. See, I got the image. So that is how we can edit this always. Okay, that possibility is there, but I am not going to edit here. Now I am going to give command to the system itself to talk. So text to speech, I choose here rectangle. I have written the spelling, and it will speak. Okay, it has spoken. Now I am going to add audio also. So there are different ways to add. YouTube is one way. You can add YouTube in two ways. So one is you have to add sound to your YouTube channel and copy that link and paste it here, or else search a suitable audio from any of the YouTube channels and paste the link here. So these are the two ways to add YouTube audios through YouTube only. So when we say use this audio, that audio will be coming here. You can see that audio is present here, so you can play the audio also. So Donald Duck. So the audio will be paid in this way. Okay. Now I am going to add some picture from suitable picture to it. So I am searching in my laptop only. I am dragging it and downing it here. So I found a picture. I have placed it. So it has come and appeared here. You can see, right? And now I am going to add additional thing. This is if you want any wrong elements have to be added in it, you can add. So let us add that element also in here. Text. Let me add it. So I'm just adding like star I'm adding, and you can just scroll up, and these arrow marks are for they are hints. If you want, you can give actually, and these arrow marks is to just rearrange the options between the pairs you have given. Okay, see, by clicking on it, it is rearranging itself, right? That's it. So now feedback, if you want anything you can give, and you can change the cards order also, how it has to be appeared. And I'm going to finish editing, and now you can see the app popping up, and you can see the Telugu instructions also. I'm just arranging it here and there, and that is how it appears. Now we can play this audio, listen also. See, Donald Duck. So it is up, it will be heard, don't worry. And now what we are going to do is I am going to save this app. So I have saved it, and it is in my apps now. Okay, it is there. See, first one. That's it. So now again I am going to create one more app in here. So let me check create app, and one more activity. Let us go with a group assignment. Here you can see the group assignment I am going to create. It will be going to be interesting actually. It will be apt for your lessons. So app title I am not going to give. Let me give even, EVEN. Okay, even. I am going to give that, and the description whatever you want you can give according to your convenience. And text I am giving even, and here I am writing some even numbers like 2.
Right, now the next one I am going to add is odd. So I am going to add for element only, add odd, ODD. Odd. I am going to add 3. I'm going to add 4, 5. I'm going to add 11. I'm going to add 15. 61. I'm going to add one more element. 16.
So 2 groups only I have made. If you want, you can make many other groups also. Add another group is option is always there, and I am going to scroll down, so you can see add cards for the each time. I mean one letter comes at one time, or else all letters comes at one time. You can segregate this. There are 2 options, but I am selecting now one letter coming at once, that is display card for card after each other. Okay, that is what I am going to select, and then feedback whatever you can give, and finish editing, and we are going to get a app like this. So numbers I am going to segregate 5. I am going to give it to 5. 5 is odd, I am going to give it to odd, and 6 is even, and 3 is odd, 4 is even, and once again we have 24. 24 is also even, and 12 is also even, and 2 is even. Again 61 is odd, 11 is odd, 15 is odd, and I am going to keep it inside the box so that they can identify. So you can ask your and check it, so all are correct. You can ask the students like, so by observing this the segregation, so these are the numbers which are even, these are the numbers which are odd, so by observing this, can you define your even number? So this is just like a approach towards concept induction approach. Okay, so this is how you can use these tools in your learning activities also. I am going to save this app, so let me click on save. So when we save it, you know where it goes and saves. So I am going to click save app. It is in my apps. Okay, you can see it here, it is right. Now I am going to create one more thing. So let me go for number line. Okay, I am going to take a number line. So number line is like naming each event, or else timeline. It is just like a timeline. I am going to give app title as COVID support. Okay, app description I am not giving anything. You can give whatever things you want, and minimum I am giving 1, or else you can, if you want, if you are starting some from 1900 to 2000 also, you can make something like that, but I am giving 1.5. I am going to ask about the steps of COVID things. So mask, first one I am searching and I am getting mask, use this, and second one I am giving value 1, and another thing I am searching for sanitizer. I am searching and I got one hand sanitizer. I am giving this and keep using this. Use this app, I got it, and value 2, and image again searching for social distancing. So let me not search a word, let me give it as text to speak social distancing. It will speak, don't worry there. And I am giving to add text again, or else image again, hand sanitization, or else hygiene. Let me give think of hygiene. I am giving search, and stopped picture I am taking. Yes, I have got, and I am giving it as 4, and one more thing I am adding, and again let me add an image of something which is useful. So let me ask about tree saving, rescuing tree, save the trees. So here we are getting a HD images. That is a very wonderful thing to observe. So 5, I have given only 5 elements. We can give it any value. So if you can add one more picture also, give value like 2. So if it is 2 pictures also, you can give for a same value. That is not a problem. I am going to save it. Let me see how it is going to appear. So here it is how it is appearing. I am just giving it, I am just arranging it in some order. Let me check how it is going to check it or not. So it is showing wrong. I am arranging it in a proper order and sending that here where it is belongs, and I am going to check. So see, it is correct. So this is how you can arrange. You can bring awareness also. So saving app, after saving app, you will be seeing that in my apps. Now I am going to create one more thing, that is ordering, simple order. So there will be ample of examples. Okay, you don't need to worry. There will be ample of examples. You can check all the time. But all the one thing is, all the examples are not of same language. So first example I am choosing, it is in English. Second and third examples might be in some other languages. So you have to check this. So second example might be in some other language. So I am not going for it. I am going to take this only. So simply ordering the sentences, it is that kind of things you can use it. Here it is free text input. It is just like identifying the picture. So one picture will be, you can upload one picture and you can give it blank. They can search here. So that way. And matching thing is, it is just like you can upload some pictures and you can pin that. By clicking on it, they will get options. So whatever options you have given, that will be there. You can choose one option among that. Okay, every time you can check through examples. Okay, every time you can check through examples. Now you see, if I wanted to check about the quiz, so that is why I have gone to my apps.
See quiz, every time you don't need to add pictures, static pictures, you can add also dynamic pictures like a GIF in your things. It need not be a stable things. We can add this. So I have added this GIF and I'm going forward. See, this is a quiz, about quiz. I'm choosing it something, some option I will choose, and I'll check whether it is correct or not. So it is correct option, so I'm going forward. Okay, if I check, so here in this case I wanted to say one thing. I have given random images and random options and all that stuff, so you can, this we have been giving it. And if you see this option, this is what random order of questions can be done. And if you see this option, the below one, evaluation at the end, so if you don't give this option as tick, so you will be stuck at the particular point only. If you say wrong answer, you will be stuck to that till answer only. You won't be going forward until unless you say the right answer. So I'm going to uncheck it. Yes, let me go down and save this and check how it appears in the quiz. See, it is coming. Yes, so now I'm going to okay, move on, and I'm going to give some wrong answer. You can see it won't go forward. See, it will stuck here until unless I give a right answer. So if we unlock that, if we check that checkbox, then it will, you can move forward. If you say wrong answer also, it will show the right answer and it will move forward. Okay, I'm going to check that box and save it. You can see the difference among it. Okay, before it was checked, now I unchecked and I made like that. You can see the observation, right? Background image also you can add whatever image you want. I added this image. Okay, now I'm going to save this app. Let me see. Yes, so I have saved. So now I'm going for create apps again. Let me check. So this is closet. This is just like a fill in the blanks. You will be giving a sentence. This kind of things will be appeared in many of the English classes. So here also you have two options to fill it. So let me show that also once. So app title you can give whatever you want, and task. See here, select the word from the list. So there will be a drop down coming down. You can select among those options which you have provided, or else you can make it like a fill in the blanks. So where that student types. Okay, you can give headlines and headline 1, headline 2, whatever you want you can give, and close the text, and what are the text you want to make it as blank, you can choose here and make it blank. Okay, I'm going to go for create apps again. So this you can observe, I'm going to create this is the section which is very interesting actually. So I'm going to show one few of it. So I'm going to see this video one. See, this is very useful in case of online teachings. This is very useful. I'm going to not going to add any app title. I'm going to add a video instead. Okay, I have already URL fixed from my YouTube. You know how to paste it, copy and paste it. I'm pasting that same URL here and use this video here. So now I'm going to check whether the video is appeared or not. Yes, it has come. Okay, let me go to the forward. I'm going to give time to display. So I'm going to give some attention for the students. At what time we have to give that attention, I mean warning or caution, that we can type here. I'm giving it as 5 seconds and I am giving the notice like wait and play the game. So I'm going to add one particular app from my selected apps, or else you can choose it from the apps which you have chosen recently. So I'm adding one more thing, and I am adding 17 seconds in it. So notice wait and drink some water. Okay, I'm not alerting anything app for it. I'm going to save it just simply. So let me check whether it is working or not. So how it is going to, I'm going to play this. So see, so it is coming. So Google Meet techniques, yes, this is one of my videos which I have added. So you can observe the timing. Okay, so now it is 15, 12, 13, 14, 15 seconds. See, right at the 15 seconds you are that a caution is appeared on your screen. Either you can start exercise or else go move on to the video. Students can do that. So start exercise, if you do, you can play the thing, or else close the exercise and move on to the video again. So again, if it goes and 15, 16, 17, at 17 seconds, one more time it has appeared. Okay, so this is how you can make a lesson online. Already pre-made lessons you can do, and you can just share the link to the students. They can also watch, and evaluation also they can do at the same time, right? So this is also good, right? And I am going to show one more thing, which is group puzzle. Let me see, group puzzle, crossword, there are many things. Okay, these are interesting things which you can go through
If you see, it is very easy to understand the techniques. I'm going to choose a group puzzle. Let me check the group puzzle and add some images or else words to it. App title I'm not adding, and I'm going to add some images of it. Okay, I'm going to add some GIF image, okay, as a background. Now I'm going to add text as even, odd. I'm going to add text, yes. I'm going to select whether you can select image also or text. I'm going for the text. Math I'm selecting, and I'm giving some names like square and rectangle. Okay, I'm not going to add a few more elements. Signs I'm adding, I need to tap it too, and elements like Newton, Tesla I'm adding. Okay, and now I'm going to share this card size. You can always minimize or maximize. Finish it and came here. So you can ask your students in online class, so what is unit of magnetic induction? Tesla they will say, and you can reveal that. And unit of force, Newton they can say, but or else we will go to maths. Square, any question related to that you can ask, and the unit of force you can ask, and they choose between the subjects and say it. So this is how it is going to come. This we can use it, and we are going back to some other thing which is interesting. These guess words is, you know, how it is like. It is just like a hangman game. You already familiar with it, I feel. So you have to choose something, and they will be guessing the word. So for every wrong guess, the picture will be going off. So when it completely goes off, it will say next round. Sad. So let us create one for our sake of understanding. So I am choosing this keyboard as DE to EN. English I am choosing EN. Yes. And I am going to add some picture of Donald Duck. If I search what I get, I will see Donald Duck. I am searching, and I am searching for it. I am getting Mickey Mouse. Okay, let us go with Mickey Mouse. See, here also HD picture had come. So now I am typing as Mickey Mouse. I am going to give it as mouse in the next one, and mouse only I am giving. So whatever it is for just understanding. So by seeing the picture, they will start guessing it, and for every wrong guess, the picture is moving off, right? So you have to just select the picture and write the word below. Let me finish this. Mickey. Yes, next round it has come. That's how. And now let us go for the create app again. This is a usual thing. Now let me show where is it, what, where is what. This is just like locating, and crosswords also you can use. This is easy. You just see it. And where is what is one more thing which is very useful for social science students actually. I'm not giving any app title. I'm going to choose a background image. Yes, let me check a background image. Select image. I'm going to search the image in India map. Yes, it has come. I'm going to choose one India map. Yes, with the states I'm selecting. Yeah, I'm going to give text Kerala and place the mark where we can place. Yes, there. And let me save, and again add one more thing, and Andhra I am typing and place the marker here. Save again. Telangana or Tamil Nadu, let me check and place the marker. Yes, save. Add one more. Add Karnataka. Let me check. Place marker. Let me go down. Yes, save. And let me add one more northern states also. Delhi. Union Territory I am adding. Okay, capital also. No, so. Okay, fine, save and finish editing. You can see this random order also. You can make questions order and show the possible matter. You can see that rounds will be seen in this background picture. See, the red color rounds are seen. You can identify based on the question. Andhra it has shown. Confirm Tamil Nadu. Yes, it is correct. I am getting point, and if for every wrong answer, computer will also get the point. Something like that. So you can add multipliers in it. Okay. Based on the choices. So Karnataka I am choosing yes, confirm. I am getting 1 point. See about 2 plus 1 is yes, save app. And I am going back to my apps, and the final one, which is a very interesting one, horse race. This is very interesting actually. If you see this itself, you will understand. I am going to play as alone. Let me go play as alone. Do you like job? Yes, I like job. When I say yes, I like it, it will move forward, right? So when we say wrong answer, mommy tells dash a story every night. We, I, she, I, no. It is us, right? So let me go not she, not we. Let me go for us. It is correct answer, right? Yes. So it is moving forward. If we say a wrong answer, so the other opponent will move forward. So something like this. So whoever reaches first there, they will be given as a winner. Okay. Yes. Let me close this. So this is what.
Many other things like guess who, pairing things, and crosswords. There are other things there. I'm going to my apps, create a new collection, and going and adding and creating it, and it will be appeared below. So if you click on it, you can see your apps. You can add your apps to it. So it will be beautiful. Now thank you for watching and share it with your friends. See the description for more interesting apps. Thank you Thiago sir and gamification team. Keep learning.